In today's session, I'm going to take you through how to identify your attachment styles so you don't destroy your current relationship and your future ones. Your attachment style is kind of like asking a bird, what is it like in the sky? The bird wouldn't know what it's like in the sky because it was born into the sky. If you said to the fish, how's the temperature of the sea today? The fish would go, I don't know what you're talking about, because the fish doesn't realize it's in water. That's the same thing with humans. They don't realize they're stuck as a way of dealing with their partner, and that's stuck in their attachment style. So if you ever felt like you pushed or pull away, or you feel like you shut down in arguments and you can't express how you feel, you get nervous when someone pulls away, or you feel like you're going to self-sabotage the relationship when it goes really well, that's an issue within your attachment style. And understanding it will change everything about how you connect with your current relationship or future relationships. So why this is so important is because most people are stuck in a loop and they don't realize they're in the loop, either thinking there's something wrong with them or they blame their partner. Understanding and fixing the behaviors that create your attachment style gives you the power to set yourself free. So what is attachment styles and where's the theory from? Attachment theories explain how your parents handled your emotional needs, created your response mechanism to that parenting style. So thus your parents shape the way in which you connect presently and in the future. Kind of makes sense, right? If your parents were angry parents, the likelihood of you becoming an angry person increases because all behaviors are learned. So the first attachment style is anxious attachment style. You fear being left alone, you crave reassurance, and often you feel like you're just too much. The thought patterns tend to be, I need them to love me or I won't be okay. You often attract an avoidant because these go so well together, because no amount of you giving is going to be reciprocated back by an avoidant. So number two, an avoidant attachment style, they value independence over closeness. So when they feel that they're getting too close to someone, they're going to pull away. The thought pattern is if I get too close, then I lose my freedom. And they might just push people away even though they deeply want to be attracted to that person. Three, disorganized or a fearful avoidant. They swing between craving love and pushing it away. Often the result of trauma, not necessarily big trauma either, but a consistent, unpredictable nature from their parents. Thought patterns tend to be, I want closeness, but I can't trust. Trust is a massive issue with a fearful, disorganized attachment style. And then the last, a secure attachment. You're comfortable with closeness and independence. You don't overthink. You don't get triggered in arguments. You can express how you feel without any barriers. There's no people pleasing. There's no guilt after boundary setting. The thought patterns tend to be, I can depend on others and others can depend on me because I'm reliable. I say what I'm going to do. I do what I'm going to say. I follow through on my word. If I say it's going to be done, it will be done. If I say it's not going to be done, I'm choosing not to do it. I'm not blaming. I'm not a victim. I'm taking 100% responsibility. I'm secure in who I am and who I want to be. You're emotionally balanced and you feel safe regardless of external pressure. So here's the quickest way to identify your style without taking a full quiz, which I do have below if you do want it. Ask yourself, do you fear being too much or not enough a lot of the time? If that's the case, you're likely to be an anxious attachment style. Ask yourself, do I need space when they get close to me? You're going to be an avoidant style. Do you swing between those two? That means you're disorganized, fearful attachment. Do you openly communicate exactly how you feel in that moment? Do you have no overthinking, no triggers? Then you're secure. If you want a deeper dive training on how to fix this, you can fill out a quiz attachment so you can understand your attachment style, and a free training, a deeper training on how to fix it. If you like videos like this, you can watch How to Stop Arguments in Less than 10 minutes.